Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Today I will show you how to build one Hashnode project using Tailwind CSS and Next.JS, and I hope this video will be really helpful for you. So see this video from start to end and you can learn many things about this video, and do not skip any of the part, because if you skip any of the part, so it will be really difficulty for you. You will be not learning some of the codes which are really important, which I will be telling you in the between of the video, and that will be really helpful. So don't miss any of the part and see this video from start to end. And if you're liking this video and enjoying and it is helpful for you, so please hit a like to this video. If you're new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn what is this Next.js, how to work with that, and what is Tailwind CSS and how to work with that also. So these are the things which are really important, which I'm telling you about, like about Next.js, Tailwind CSS, and I'm just bringing up some of the small videos of 7 to 8 minutes and 9 to 10 minutes, and these are really helpful videos. These are small but helpful, and if you have not learned any of the thing about Next.js and you want to learn, so you can check my Next.js tutorial I've uploaded previously on my channel, and I've also uploaded some of the other languages tutorial like React.js, JavaScript and Python. You can check that out also, because that are also containing really informative things which a beginner want to learn, and all the things from start to end that videos are containing. And also like that videos, and if you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button also, because when you subscribe it gives motivation to me to make more videos like that and more helpful videos for you in future. Also you can communicate with me on my Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram and on Discord, and I'm active on Discord, and in future I will be also coming up with a group in Discord, and we will be just communicating with a group on my subscribers who will be just coming on that group, and I will be just communicating with them by making a group on Discord, and that in that group I will be sharing all the things related to the projects which you want, and you can also ask there the queries you are having about my projects which I am building here on YouTube, and you can also comment me like what things do you want from me in future. I will be making that also, because if you just comment me, so that gives also motivation to me to make that video which you are telling about, and I will be coming up with the series also of that video which you will be asking. So just I hope you understand till here. Now we'll be starting with our Hashnode project. So like I'm telling you, we will be just building a Hashnode project using Next.js and Tailwind CSS. So just now we have to start, but before starting the project I want to show you the demo of Hashnode, how it is looking and how we will be building it in the end, because it is really awesome project which we will be building, and it will be containing very informative things which I will be telling you further on. Now if I open Google Chrome to show you the project, here it is, our Hashnode project which we will be building. So this is the Hashnode logo we are getting at the left side, then the nav bar we are getting at the top. Here it is the search box, you can say, or search menu here we are getting at the center. Then at the right side we are getting the button of write, you can write the things which you want, then the logos of everything. Here by pressing this you can just log out, or you can just sign up and log in. Here if you have account, so you have to log in, and if you have not account or want to create account, you have to just go to sign up and create your account by writing email and password. And then if I scroll down, you can get started here, it's free, it is written, then you can get started here. Then no ads, no paywall, no kidding, and everything are good, awesome looking. And it is also connected with automatic GitHub backup. Man, you will be connecting GitHub with that, so it will be automatically connecting the backup of that. These are the testimonial reviews about this awesome Hashnode project. And if I scroll down, there will be some of the, you can say, blogs. Here you can also see the articles, means these are articles, but you can also say blogs here in short form. And if I scroll down here, you can also see features that make tag blogging. You can see these are some of the features that make tag blogging look more awesome. And if I scroll down, you can also see it is native GitHub integration. Here it is, and then it is the dev community of over a million active developers. Million of active developers are here on this Hashnode. So this was the project, and then this is the footer section here, and this is the Hashnode logo, then this is the copyright section, and it is the footer thing. So this was the project we'll be building. Here you can chat with the workers who are working on this Hashnode, and you can just work with that. So this is the Hashnode which we'll be building using Next.js in Tailwind CSS. So you can see how good looking is that. So now we'll be building. So here I will be opening my VS Code, closing the previous window of my VS Code and opening new window of VS Code. Now when you have opened your VS Code, just close all the previous file from which you have worked, then open a new window in which we'll be working with newly files. So here we have to create two new files, and one will be of Next.js, then second will be of CSS, means my Tailwind CSS file. Then I will be creating a new file by writing new, or you can create new text file. I will be taking two new text file, one will be of Next.js and one will be of my Tailwind CSS. So here I will be giving it the name of app.js because it is my Next.js file, and saving it in location where I can save my Tailwind CSS file also. So in local disk E I will be saving my both file. Here I will be saving my app.css file also, because I have saved on local disk C, so Tailwind CSS file should also be saved on local disk E. So I will be saving it on local disk E. You can see I have selected that, and I will be pressing save. Press yes because I was having this file. Because of that, it was giving warning you have to replace that file. So I press yes. Now when you are just getting this app.js file, now you have to write some of the import tags which I am telling you. First of all, import module, or you can say statement of module. Then you have to just import statement. Okay, so not the statement, sorry. We have to just import browser router, or you can say React router doc. Then I will be writing, I will be moving down, and here you have to just import prop types here. And remember that when you are writing these import, just you have to close that also by writing this close tag, which I am writing. So remember to write this close tag so you can work with your import tag, and then press import as, or you can say module. I'll be moving down and writing the div, and just I'll be pressing then you have to write div class name here, and class name you can write anything you want. I'll be writing app because app is a common class name which we give in every work when we are working with. Then I will be writing these colons and these brackets which I have written. Then you have to write edit selection dot, then here you have to write terminal. Now when you've done with that, close this, move down, then make another tag which will be like code dot outline, then I will be writing dot style. Now when you've done with that, close this, and then you have to do one thing. Here you have to move, make this tag, and here I will be pressing Ctrl Z. Then here you have to write a tag which should be like help, then you have to write dot. Then when you've done with that, here you have to write style again, then write dot and write another tag which should be like run. Then you have to just write this tag, make this, then write view dot, then write file, and when you've done with that, just you have to write dot, and you have to write setting. Now just you have to close this, move down, then make another tag which will be like import dot module, because we have import module first of all, and I'll be writing this, means original name as alias. You can see it is written. Now here I'll be closing this by writing this close tag, and when you're closing that, just you have to copy this class name which we have written at the top of the div in class name tag. Then I will be pasting in my CSS file, means in my Tailwind CSS file which I have just built. So I will be writing dot because when we are defining class, we have to write dot at the starting. I'll be pasting my class name and moving down by writing this curly bracket. And now here I'll be writing justify content in center, create align items which should be in center. So here I will be writing that. And now when you're done with that, I'll be writing display flags, create float flag, then write box sizing. But before that, I'll be taking this T2 small, move here, then I will be writing box sizing which should be border box, move down, then create text align in center. And when you've done with that, here I will be writing a tag which will be like font style normal. So create that. You can also give bold or italic font style you want to give, but I am giving it normal because I want it normal. You can give font size 18 pixel, create font weight. You can give any of the font weight you want to give to your fonts. Then you have to select the font family. So I will be giving it Monk Serif like we have given in previous videos. So here I will be selecting that and writing sans serif. Color of your text, so it should be black. Now I will be writing 1 solid white of my border, and here also white. Then I will be writing border radius and 10 pixel. Then you have to create border width, so you can also take it to 100 pixel. Then move down, create border style. If you don't want to give style, so write none, and if you want to give, so you can write the size of your border style which you want to give. Create border collapse, inherit, then write border spacing. I also want this to be none. You can say inherit, so I will be giving that. Then you have to just write border image which should be none, and then move down, and here you have to just create a tag which should be like border left. So here I will be writing that 200 pixel, create border right 100 pixel, move down, then you have to create border top 100 pixel, then write border bottom 100 pixel. Now just save this file by pressing Ctrl S, and you can also save by going to file and pressing this save button. And you have saved these all things. If I show you, you can see in app we have written all these things. Now I will be going to my Google Chrome, and if I show you, so it will be looking really awesome, our project. So here you can see this is our Hashnode project which we have built using Next.js and Tailwind CSS. So you can see how good looking is that. We are getting Hashnode logo at the left side. At the back we are getting our nav bar which is in white color. Then at the center we are getting the search box and the right button. Here at the right side we are getting all the menus like we want. Then this is the sign up or login menu from where you can sign up or login. Then this is the text written, then paragraph here which is in black color which we have put. Then at the right we are also getting this image, the button of get started, it's free. Then this is the testimonial review on your content, no ads, no paywall, no kidding. If I scroll down, you can also see automatic GitHub backup is in that. If I scroll down, you can also see the testimonial reviews about this Hashnode. Then if I scroll down, you can join the community by pressing this button. You can also feature the articles, blogs and other things which you want to feature. You can also feature, or you can also read these things. If I scroll down, these are the features that make tag logging 10x better, means more better. And this is the built-in analytics, native GitHub interaction and everything. That this is the Hashnode for teams, if teams want to connect with Hashnode, so they can connect with that. And if I scroll down, these are the footer section we are getting. This is the copyright section, and this is the privacy policy, terms, code of conduct, and the Hashnode logo at the end. So this was the project which we have built using Next.js and Tailwind CSS. I hope you enjoy this project. If you have enjoyed, so please hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn and just learn these projects, because that are really helpful for you and they can also give help to you in future. And when you are working with these projects, these are really helpful, and a beginner want to learn these projects, and if they learn, so they can also become a full stack developer of these languages which we are working with. I've also uploaded some of the previous languages tutorial, you can check that out. And I've also uploaded this whole tutorial of Next.js. If you want to learn Next.js from basic to advanced level, I have uploaded full tutorial, you can check that out, and you can like the video also. And just subscribe on my channel if you're new here, because I'm telling you in the starting also, when you subscribe, it gives motivation to me to make more helpful videos for you in future. And also press notification bell after that, from which you will be getting all the notifications of my video when I will be uploading. Share this video, because when you share, so more people can learn these amazing things which I am telling through my channel. And these are the things which are really helpful. I've also just have the social media accounts from where you can communicate or contact with me. I have given all the social media account in my description of my video, like Discord, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram and other. You can tag me on Instagram, you can ask any question you want to ask on Facebook, Twitter and Discord. I have also made a Discord username which I have provided in description. You can copy that and you can paste in your Discord. To get the username of Discord, you can you can send me the friend request, I'll be accepting, and you can ask the question which you want to ask. And in the future I'll be also making a group on Discord in which many people can come, and that will be public. Many people can come and ask questions which they want to ask related to topic or the things which they want in future. So I hope you will be understanding and enjoying this. So I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.